Here it is, here it is. Here it is. Oh my gosh. My hydraulic tent. Yeah. We got 2 sleeping bags, 2 sleeping pads, and 1 hydraulic tent. Let's open it up. Okay, we're gonna open this bad boy up. Let's see what it's all about. So we've got 2 sleeping pads and 2 pillows, self-inflating. So, got sleeping bag number 1, sleeping bag number 2, and this right here. Here's my tent. It's a hydraulic tent. Super easy hydraulic tent setup. Very careful cutting this open. There's a cat on it. That's one of my favorite things already. So this is a night cat tent. Oh, I can feel it. So this is a hydraulic tent. I'm really excited. A hydraulic tent. It's supposed to be super easy setup where you're just like abracadabra, boom, and it opens up. And you go boom. Oh my gosh. It also is roomy. It's supposed to fit 3 to 4 people, or maybe 2 people and a big dog. It's also supposed to have really good ventilation. It has 2 doors, so we'll show that when we go and open it up and try it out. Look at this, you got the 2 doors for ventilation. The rain fly for this can also be used as a separate pavilion, so we'll check that out too. Now it's a little daytime just pavilion here, and it also claims to be waterproof in light rain. We're gonna open it up right here in the yard, see how easy this thing is, and try it out. You guys ready? Woo, let's do it. This is super easy hydraulic tent setup. First time unloading this. Here's the stakes, tent stakes. Okay, so these are the things that lock here. Lock them out. This is really cool. These legs they lock out. Seems pretty easy so far, I gotta say. Now you take this, and you go boom. Oh my gosh! Look at this! Wow! That is like... That was so sick! That's like the easiest tent setup ever in my life. I just folded out the legs, boom! Abracadabra, boom! There it is. Look at this, you got the 2 doors for ventilation. Okay, I officially love this tent. Pretty cool, right? Sweet, so that's how easy the setup is. This is how easy the breakdown is. Watch this, watch. See this? You squeeze this up, fold it in, boom. Put the tent down, I'm just gonna grab these. It's like that. Fold these corners, like so, pull and fold. And then we just gather up the sides, tuck in the extra fabric. Let's see how easy it is to put it away, right? So far, so good. I just collapsed it. And boom. She's ready to go. Put that on there and that sets right into place. There's some little T-bars that you can see here, which I'm gonna clip right into this little donut shape here. And we're gonna go around and we're gonna attach the fly right here. A hook and also a little T-band. And so we're gonna put that right through that hook like that. So now inside the tent is vaulted.
And you can go ahead and get inside and take a look.
Look how much room there is in here.
It's big.
Oh, you like this tent? See, even cats like the tent. Hey, baby.
Well, now we're going to show you how this can turn into a pavilion, day tent, beach tent. So I'm going to undo all of these T-straps that we secured earlier. And these are super easy. They just come right out like this. We're also going to undo the clips at the bottom here. And you'll need to redo this so that the tent sets up properly later.
Check it out. Now it's a little daytime just pavilion here. Boom.
Night cat tent, 2 thumbs up. So the sleeping pad, we're gonna roll it out flat. And I'm gonna open up this little spout. And on here, I have an inflate spout and a deflate spout. So this top one is the inflate. So I open the top cap, and I'm gonna take this bag and I'm gonna push that right down in there till it snaps. Kind of max it out.
Look at that.
It doesn't feel like it's taking any more. So now I'm gonna come back over here, and I'm just gonna pull this out of the pad like that, and then I'm going to close this valve tight.
Lock it in.
It's locked in. Okay, let's throw it in the tent and see how it fits. Wow, great. Look at that. I'm going to put one right there.
Wow.
Let's see, will it fit sideways? I mean, it can fit this way too.
Yeah.
And then you'd have more room on the side.
Yep.
So it can go either way. It depends on how much room you want in your tent. It might be best to put the 2 sleepers on the sides, and then you have a walkway all the way through.
Oh man, this is comfy. Ah.
Yay! We love our night cat tent.
We love our night cat. Yay! Night cat, 2 thumbs up.